Did you fade up with the jazzy interior of your bedroom? Or did you sometime felt that the space has been designed for everything else but sleep? If yes, it is the time you should renovate your bedroom. But stop. Don't make the same mistake again. This video will give you the wisdom and insight requires for understanding the design aspects of a bedroom that focuses a good night's sleep. Please consider subscribing to our channel. By doing so, you'll receive weekly insights and tips on creating harmonious interior spaces. Let's get into the video. A well-thought-out bedroom design prioritizes all physical and psychological factors that are responsible for a good night's sleep. Mostly the factors are to reduce disturbances and make the space calm and shooting by instill a sense of security and familiarity with a touch of nature in it. In the next session, we discuss 8 physical aspects and then 8 psychological aspects of bedroom design. Avoid placing a TV unit in the bedroom. Instead, consider picture frames or bookshelves. Associating the bedroom with TV watching can disrupt sleep patterns. Without a TV, the room becomes a tranquil space for activities like reading and meditation, promoting restful sleep. Use UPVC doors and windows for external openings and pair with blackout curtains. These curtains block light and insulate the room, while UPVC windows reduce external noise, together ensuring an optimal sleep environment. In the bedroom, use warm lights with a color temperature of 3000 to 3500 Kelvin, paired with dimmable switches. This soft lighting mimics sunset, promoting relaxation. Adjustable brightness ensures versatility and a tranquil environment for sleep. Use ceiling-mounted fan coil unit for efficient even air distribution in the bedroom. Their quiet operation ensures a disturbance-free environment, promoting optimal comfort and a restful sleep atmosphere. Efficient bedroom storage, including bedside tables, bookshelves, cosmetic chests, underbed spaces, and wardrobes, ensures organization and minimal clutter. This structured approach fosters a tranquil environment, promoting restful sleep and relaxation. Place a large rug around the bed to absorb noise, ensuring a quieter bedroom ambience. Beyond aesthetics, the rug diminishes sound reverberations, creating a serene environment conducive to relaxation and uninterrupted sleep. Incorporate plants, such as snake plant and aloe vera, in the bedroom to enhance air quality. These plants purify the air by eliminating pollutants and releasing oxygen, fostering a healthier sleep environment and well-being. Exclude study tables or workspaces from the bedroom to maintain its sanctity as a relaxation zone. Eliminating work elements prevents mental associations with stress, ensuring a conducive environment for restful sleep and mental rejuvenation. Before we delve into the psychological facets of design, we kindly invite you to subscribe to our channel. By joining our community, you'll gain weekly insights and valuable tips on crafting harmonious interior spaces. Choosing calming colors like blues, greens, and soft neutrals for bedroom walls creates a tranquil environment. These hues evoke feelings of serenity and relaxation, setting a peaceful tone. They help to lower stress levels and promote a sense of calm, vital for a restful night's sleep and overall well-being. Incorporating organic curved shapes in the ceiling adds a fluid, natural aesthetic to bedroom interiors. These gentle forms mimic patterns found in nature, instilling a sense of calm and continuity. Paired with hidden lighting, it casts subtle, ambient glows, further enhancing the room's serene and inviting ambience. Choosing an optimum bed height, neither too high nor too low, contributes to a cozy and secure atmosphere in the bedroom. A bed at the right height allows you to easily get in and out, while also providing a comforting and enclosed feeling. It promotes a sense of safety, contributing to relaxation and better sleep. Position the bed to offer a clear view of the bedroom door. It promotes a sense of security, allowing you to see who enters the room. This arrangement instills a feeling of control and safety, reducing potential anxiety and enhancing overall comfort for a restful sleep. A ceiling height between 2,600 to 2,800 mm strikes a balance between spaciousness and coziness. While high ceilings can give an airy feel, this specific range ensures warmth and intimacy, making the room more inviting. This optimal height fosters a sense of security, conducive for relaxation and promoting restful sleep. Avoid mirror in bedroom. Mirrors can amplify energy and light, potentially disrupting sleep if positioned incorrectly. While it's advised to avoid mirrors in bedrooms, if necessary, placing them on the bedhead side wall prevents direct reflection while lying down. This careful placement ensures a calming ambience, promoting restful sleep and minimizing disturbances. Incorporating essential oils introduces calming scents that transform a bedroom into a sanctuary. Personalized aromas like lavender or chamomile can trigger relaxation responses in the brain. By diffusing these scents, one can effortlessly reduce stress, fostering a tranquil environment conducive to restful sleep and emotional comfort. Keep controls of all the electrical equipment within range. Having easy access to the controls of all electrical equipment in the bedroom is essential for convenience and comfort. Whether it's the lights, fan, air conditioning, or other devices, being able to adjust them from the comfort of your bed ensures a feeling of safety and undisturbed sleep experience. Our sleep environment profoundly impacts the quality of our rest. The absence of factors that keep our senses alert and the incorporation of comforting elements naturally promote sleep. As you design or redesign your bedroom, remember to prioritize eliminating elements of insecurity, unfamiliarity, or jarring designs. The guidelines mentioned above serve as a foundation. However, personalizing based on individual preferences is the key. Thank you for joining us on this exploration. Please consider subscribing, and we look forward to sharing more design insights with you soon.